And I considered the horns, and behold, there came up among them another little horn, before whom there were 3 of the first horns plucked up by the roots. And behold, in this horn were eyes like the eyes of man, and a mouth speaking great things. The text says here is a little horn rising up among them, and he will pluck 3 of them by the roots. And now the Bible is going to identify this little horn in more detail. Verse 24 of Daniel 7, and the 10 horns out of this kingdom are 10 kings that shall arise, and another shall rise after them. He shall be diverse from the first. He shall subdue 3 kings. And then in verse 25, it gives some more identification. And he shall speak great words against the Most High, and shall wear out the saints of the Most High, and shall think to change times and laws, and they shall be given into his hand until a time and times and the dividing of time. Now let's recap on how the Bible identifies this little horn. And it must be a reference which we find in the Bible. He rises up among them, Daniel 7:8. He will rise after them. He will be different, Daniel 7:24. He will subdue 3 of them, Daniel 7:8. He shall speak great words against the Most High, verse 25. He will wage war against the saints. They will be given into his hands unto a time, times, and a divided time. Now all these identification marks must be applicable to this little horn power. Otherwise it does not fit. Not 2 of them, or 3 of them, or 5 of them. All of them